Hello YouTube. Well, I don't really know what to say and I'm in my bathroom, so what's up? I'm new to this. Yeah, anyways. But I am new to this, so I'm not sure what to do or say or anything, so yeah. Fiji water. It's good. Anyways, I don't really know what to say. And you can tell this is my first vlog. Wait. Shit, I said that already. But anyways, what's up? I don't know why I express myself with my hands, but yeah. I would have done I did do my first vlog a while ago. Anyone actually watches this and wants to see it. It's not really a vlog, it's more like, I don't know. Anyways, yeah. You want me to go down to the comments, I guess. And I'm not sure any of you guys are watching this right now, so. Well, yeah. And now my nephew is trying to kill me with Pikachu. You know it's recording, right? Hmm? You know it's recording.
Hello.
So this is my recording equipment. The camera and the thing. And the indoor mic that's built in, so yeah, let's try this out because I don't know how to hold this yet. Well, I do, but I just hold it like that far away from me, and I don't know how to, because this is what happens when I turn it. Look there. You could see like half of my body, and I don't know how far I should be, and I don't know. I know I'm supposed to look at you guys, so I don't know. So I want to lift it higher because that's what I'm used to. But yeah, I don't know.
Day one, it's a beautiful day. And he's a very handsome young man. On the road, you see him. He's very calm, very patient. He's going by his own natural instincts. As you can see, he's going all straight. Will he have the guts to turn? Or will he just stop there? No. He just stopped there.
No.
Until next time.
Hey, check. Check.
Wow.
Look.
I'm watching my dirty videos.
You and your dirty videos.
Dude,
can I walk? Well, anyways, guys, that's it for the first vlog, I think, since I don't know what else to record right now, so. What is that? What? Well, anyways, I'm sorry, I actually don't really know how to vlog yet, but I'll get it. Well, anyways, if you watch this, thank you. You're my first viewers on YouTube, and I appreciate that. I hope you continue to watch my stuff, because I don't know, things might change. Well, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.